Hey everyone, welcome back to the Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I'm so happy to be back here, and if you're finding me through this playlist, then welcome to you as well. I'm Sarah, and for today's Tiny Tidy, I'm just gonna be running around my house with the vacuum, hitting all of my carpets. All of our home is hardwood floors, except for the bedrooms, and I have an area rug under the dining room table, which is over here, and a small area rug in our small upstairs living room, which is over here, and I'll be vacuuming those up. So my goal today is just to get this tiny task done and move on with my week. I hope that this offers you some motivation to get something done that maybe you've been putting off, or something that you know needs to get done. Something this small is a lot of times something that goes a little bit unnoticed, but it makes a big difference. To me, it makes the whole house feel a little bit more put together. And it's a super nice day here in the Midwest where I am, so the windows are open, and that also offers a little bit of extra motivation for me. So let's get started. I'm just gonna get started and head down the hallway and hit all of the bedrooms. It is actually a pretty rare occasion that my older daughter especially has a clear enough floor for me to run the vacuum in. So this morning when I told her that's what I was doing, she made sure to straighten up so that her room would get the vacuum as well. And it just feels good to come home and have those vacuum lines in your carpet. I remember that as a kid as well. It just offers a little bit of peace and serenity in your bedroom. We recently did an entire room makeover on this bedroom for my older daughter, so if you are interested in checking that out, I will link that here, and I'll link it down in the description box below, and you can check out this entire room makeover on a budget. So now I'm moving right next door to my younger daughter's room, and I'm not moving the furniture. I just kind of want to do a quick vacuum, and the vacuum lines offer a little bit of peace, makes everything feel good, so we're going for done and not perfect. As I finish up in here, I am heading over to the master bedroom, and you'll have to kind of notice, I noticed as I was editing this video that my puppy, she is always a couple steps ahead of me or a couple steps behind me no matter which room I'm in, and she likes to be right next to me while I'm vacuuming, and every once in a while she does try to attack the vacuum cleaner. So it's always a little bit entertaining whenever I vacuum the carpet. As I'm finishing up here in the master, I am going to hit this carpet in the hallway. It's actually just a remnant of some carpeting that we had put on our stairs recently. We actually redid the entire basement, which I'm hoping to share in a future video. But we had a couple of pretty big pieces left over, and so rather than throwing it away, I just cut the carpets down and put a remnant here in the upstairs hallway and in the downstairs hallway, and I figured we'll just use it until it wears out and then decide if we want to get another rug. Actually, speaking of rugs, this rug from IKEA in the living room has really served us well. We've had it for probably close to 5 years, and it has held up nicely. The other thing that you might notice that's new is the beanbag. That is my youngest daughter's birthday present. We celebrated birthdays at the end of July before going on a last-minute vacation. So we have been super busy in the past couple of months, which also explains a little bit of my hiatus from YouTube and from Instagram. Another thing you might notice is that the dining room has a board and batten wall on the side, and that is another home update project that I am loving the update, and I'm hoping to share it with you soon. If you're interested in seeing any of these home updates that I've mentioned, then be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You can hit that bell notification so that you are notified whenever I upload a new one. Well, that's it for me today. I hope that this tiny tidy brought you some motivation. I know I feel better about it, and as I was vacuuming, I thought, of course I should do this today. Both of my girls' rooms are picked up, our room is picked up, and I had to seize the moment of all the floors being clear enough for a vacuum. So, anyway, I hope you have a great Tuesday. Enjoy the playlist. It will be linked down below in my description. Watch all of the other tiny tidiers today. And thank you to Sunday Dawn for this open playlist and collaboration. I love joining in when I can and getting things tidied up. Here on my channel, I like to share simple tasks and easy ways to do things. So if that's something that you're interested in, be sure and click that and button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.